In this video, we're going to be replacing the sway bar link on this driver's side of this 2015 Hyundai Sonata. With the 21mm socket, we're going to go ahead and take our tire off. Our top location or mounting point on our sway bar link is going to be a 19mm nut. What we like to do here on the back side is put a pair of locking pliers on the back flange. And then a 19mm on an impact. Back that nut off. Now from here, you can just push your sway bar link out of that mounting spot, and we can do the same to the bottom. From up underneath here, we're going to put a pair of locking pliers on the back side of our link. And we're going to use a 17mm on a swivel, back that nut off. Now from here, we're just going to work our locking pliers backwards, and we should be able to take out our link from the vehicle. So when we put our new link in, what we want to do is put this stud in the center. So about halfway through its travel in every direction. So we're just going to center this up a little bit better. Okay, same thing on the other side. We are going to install the link into the bottom and put our new nylon lock nut on the front. So on the back here, we're going to lock down on the back part, the flange of that new link, and we're just going to snug this bolt up. All right, once we've got this pretty well snugged up, we can move up top and do the same thing up there. Then we'll come back and torque them both down. Now we can put our top link into position. What we're going to need to do is spin our link to get behind the strut. We're going to have to angle the stud and then straighten that back out. Once you've got to this point, everything looks pretty good. We can tighten and snug up our nylon lock nut. What I'm doing here is just feeling the back flange for any rotation. If there is rotation, then I'll have to put my locking pliers back there, but so far we're good. Okay, so we've got it pretty well snugged up, and the back of this didn't rotate at all. So now we're going to move on to torquing them down. We're going to try and torque it without holding the center pin here. If we try and torque this and the back moves, then we'll have to lock it down. We're going to torque this down to 75 foot-pounds. Again, feeling the back for any rotation. If nothing moves, then we should be good. All right, we'll do the same thing on the bottom. So down the bottom here, we can physically see this back flange, so we'll keep an eye on that while we're torquing this down. See if that rotates at all. If not, we're okay. Looks pretty good. That's it. And now we can put our tire back on. With a 21mm socket, we'll go ahead and snug these up. Now that we're down on the ground, we're going to go ahead and torque our lug nuts to 75 foot-pounds. We're going to do that in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.